so I don't know how to post on 4chan anymore. I've been filtered. It finally happened. I aged out. I've gotten so old that this is now Unk Life 2. And they have this CAPTCHA here, and I don't know how to solve it. The life of me. This is 3 empty boxes. What even is that? I know so many people that have had issues with the CAPTCHA. It's sad. Like, look at this. It's pure torture to solve it. And you're just an idiot. It's time for you to accept that. No, I can't. No one can. That's terrible. There's several people that have had issues with this CAPTCHA. It's the hardest thing in the world. I don't know why I brought this in here. I just like this image a lot. Should probably go over how to solve the CAPTCHA though. I swear to God, my wife doesn't know how to do it, and this is more of like, here you go. Anyway, so you click on the little post for your reply. Maybe you click on a bunch of them. I don't know. It's your thing. Fuck you. We'll do our little get CAPTCHA right here. Now this is the important part. If you forget this, you're not gonna get anywhere. Okay, just telling you. Hold on, let me just make it a little bit more clear. Okay, line there. There we go. Okay, get CAPTCHA. Okay, use the scroll bar below to find the image that does not have a pair. Then click next. Okay. Step 1 done. We've got the reading portion. So there's a 5, 3, 3, 2, 2. I'm not Rain Man or anything, but okay, we got 3. Just in time. Okay. Anyway, use the scroll bar to find the image that has exactly 2 empty boxes and then click next. Thank you. Oh, never mind. I just have to restart. Okay, 5 of them. 5 of them right here. I swear. Not like the others. 1, 5, 1. I'm thinking 5. Exactly 4 empty boxes. Okay, there's 3 there. It's a toughie. Next. Oh. I'm not gonna post this crash. Okay. Anyway, yeah, it's beatable. It's doable. You can game the system. Yeah, I guess 4chan's works with it now. There was a whole thing. I mean, of all things, this is the craziest to come out of it. Wow. 4chan's updated. Because the CAPTCHA updated. Oh yeah, you can use 4chan's as like a buy one monkey thing. It's pretty nice. I mean, I don't use it a lot because the native thing works for me, but okay. You do have to remember, if you ever disable the user script, make sure to go into your settings here and just uncheck the little disable native, because the native extension on 4chan, I think is just fine. Like, it does anything I need it to do. But, yeah, hardest thing of all, the CAPTCHA. Who would have thought? I don't play this. See if miracles can happen again. This is a hard one. Does not have a pair. 6, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm thinking 6. Exactly 4 empty boxes. I'm a pro with this already. This is gonna be pretty easy. 5 empty boxes. Okay. Damn. What a pull. Right off the bat with that one. And there we go. Guess that's how you do it. Just gotta send this video to my wife and all is well. Oh yeah, this guy liked it. Thought that was nice. Oh yeah, this is a cool cursor. I really like this cursor. This is a really good cursor. Check out stuff.